Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we break down the rising tension between Azerbaijan and Armenia in 2025 and the dramatic shift in military power shaping the entire Caucasus region, with new data, new capabilities, and new alliances, creating one of the most volatile flashpoints on the global map. Azerbaijan enters 2025 with strong confidence and rapid military modernization, driven by high defense spending and powerful partnerships that allow it to upgrade weapons, systems, drones, and battlefield surveillance at a pace unmatched in the region. Armenia moves into 2025 with a focus on rebuilding after years of conflict, shifting strategies away from reliance on older systems and concentrating on restructured training, improved defenses, and new international partners to stabilize its security landscape. Azerbaijan maintains superior drone power as the core of its modern warfare strategy, using long-range systems, loitering munitions, surveillance drones, and high-precision strike capabilities that can create instant battlefield advantages. Armenia continues working to counter drone threats with new anti-drone technology, short-range air defenses, electronic disruption systems, and upgraded radar technology that strengthens its early warning capabilities against Azerbaijan's aerial power. Azerbaijan's air power includes modern fighter aircraft, advanced flight training programs, and new technology that improves air defense penetration and long-distance strike reach, giving it a significant strategic advantage. Armenia expands its air defense network, deploying upgraded missile systems, better radar coverage, and integrated command centers designed to block enemy air attacks and reduce vulnerability in case of sudden escalation. Azerbaijan's ground forces remain strong with modern armored vehicles, highly trained special forces, advanced artillery, rocket launchers, and mobile missile units, allowing fast and aggressive military operations across complex terrain. Rebuilds its ground forces with emphasis on soldier training, tactical mobility, stronger logistics, and improved protective systems, focusing on resilience, defense, and preventing rapid breakthroughs by enemy forces. Azerbaijan also leads in military technology such as precision-guided missiles, satellite-aided targeting, digital battlefield mapping, and real-time reconnaissance, which increases operational efficiency and rapid strike capabilities. Armenia invests in secure communication systems, advanced battlefield monitoring, and upgraded command networks designed to improve soldier response times, reduce communication failures, and increase defensive coordination. As Azerbaijan's defense budget remains significantly higher, enabling steady procurement of modern weapons and frequent joint training exercises with strong allies that raise combat readiness and reinforce its regional power position. Armenia focuses on smart spending, prioritizing essential upgrades rather than large-scale military expansion, ensuring that limited resources produce the greatest defensive benefit in critical areas. Azerbaijan's alliances are a major factor in its growing military power, particularly with Turkey and Israel providing access to advanced drones, missiles, intelligence equipment, and specialized training that strengthen every branch of its military. Armenia shifts its alliances, exploring deeper cooperation with Europe, strengthening regional ties, and expanding diplomatic efforts aimed at creating a more balanced and diversified national security network. Azerbaijan's missile forces grow each year with long-range systems that can reach deep into enemy territory, providing a powerful deterrent and increasing its ability to force strategic concessions without directly engaging in prolonged conflict. Armenia develops stronger defensive missile layers using upgraded systems to protect key cities, military bases, transport routes, and critical infrastructure, reducing the risk of catastrophic damage during early stages of confrontation. Azerbaijan benefits from advanced artillery platforms capable of delivering rapid long-distance firepower that can shape battlefields quickly and disable enemy positions with high accuracy and strong destructive capability. Armenia strengthens defensive artillery positions, focusing on survivability, mobility, and counter-battery tactics, designed to neutralize incoming strikes and maintain battlefield resistance under heavy pressure. Azerbaijan also expands special operations units, which receive advanced training in reconnaissance, sabotage, strategic infiltration, and rapid tactical response, providing the military with elite forces capable of changing the outcome of local engagements. Continues to upgrade its special units, emphasizing mountain warfare, urban defense, covert operations, and skilled territorial defense designed to protect key areas and disrupt enemy activity, even with limited resources. Azerbaijan's navy, though small, continues modernization to protect Caspian sea routes, enhance maritime surveillance, and support coastal defense operations, creating stronger control over strategic waters. Armenia has no navy and channels its resources entirely into land and air defense, focusing on strengthening borders, maintaining strong defensive lines, and improving mobility across mountainous terrain. Azerbaijan maintains higher manpower levels with more active troops, consistent training cycles, powerful reserves, and extensive paramilitary forces that contribute to faster mobilization and stronger military endurance. Armenia focuses on improving soldier quality through targeted training reforms, better equipment, and improved recruitment strategies to ensure that each unit can deliver stronger performance and higher readiness. During crisis situations, Azerbaijan's technological infrastructure continues, expanding with modern sensors, encrypted communication networks, integrated command systems, and battlefield automation tools that reinforce its growing reputation as a technologically advanced military. Armenia increases investment in counter-electronic warfare, hardened communication lines, and secure data systems to maintain operational integrity during conflicts involving modern digital weapons and drone-based surveillance. Azerbaijan's intelligence gathering ability continues to improve with stronger drone surveillance, satellite imagery, foreign intelligence cooperation, and expanded reconnaissance missions that give it real-time battlefield awareness. Armenia strengthens intelligence coordination, exploring new international partners, enhancing border surveillance, and modernizing reconnaissance tools to predict threats and avoid surprise attacks. Azerbaijan deploys heavy armor, including new tanks, upgraded models, and advanced infantry fighting vehicles that offer stronger protection, speed, and battlefield firepower suitable for offensive and defensive operations. Armenia works to modernize its limited armored units, focusing on mobility, protective upgrades, and strategic positioning to maximize their value in defensive operations and prevent rapid armored breakthroughs from opposing forces. Azerbaijan continues to expand military manufacturing capacity, producing drones, ammunition, armored vehicles, and battlefield tech domestically, reducing dependence on foreign suppliers and strengthening long-term military sustainability. Armenia invests in small-scale domestic production, upgrading ammunition factories, producing protective gear, and repairing military vehicles, enhancing logistical independence and strengthening supply chain reliabilities. Bane's cyber warfare capabilities evolve quickly, focusing on offensive cyber tools, network disruption, and digital infiltration strategies designed to weaken enemy infrastructure, communication, and command systems during conflicts. Armenia focuses on cyber defense, improving firewalls, securing government networks, protecting military systems, and preventing digital attacks that could compromise national security during high-intensity conflict. Azerbaijan also gains media and information warfare advantage, using strategic communication, international messaging, and digital platforms to shape global opinion, influence narratives, and strengthen its political position. Armenia develops counter-information strategies, improving digital presence, strengthening diplomatic communication, and engaging international organizations to ensure balanced representation in global conflict narratives. Azerbaijan continues joint training exercises with Turkey and other partners, giving troops combat-ready experience, high-intensity simulation, and operational coordination that increases readiness for real-world conflict. Armenia trains with European partners, improves peacekeeping units, and strengthens mountain warfare training to prepare its forces for both defensive operations and complex terrain engagements that dominate the region. Azerbaijan develops new command structures designed for fast decision-making, integrating drones, artillery, air power, and ground forces into combined operations that allow rapid dominance in active battle zones. Armenia improves command efficiency, adopting new systems focusing on defensive coordination, ensuring faster troop deployment, and strengthening cross-unit communication to respond effectively to evolving threats.